It's 2019. We don't have to look like this no more when we had a rough night. Fenty Beauty came out with some new concealer, and it really is a cure. I am, today I am a victim of my own awful behavior last night. And in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to go from a girl who needs Jesus and possibly a shower to a nice girl with a lot to offer. Today I'm going to be going through and reviewing the new Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Instant Retouch Concealers. We've been waiting for this for so long. I can't make too many sudden movements, TBH. I was dying a little bit in the beginning of this video, but I'm telling you, now that I don't look hungover, I feel much better. See, if you want to go from, a hot mess to a hell yes, then please stay tuned. Enjoy. Let's get into it. So I already put moisturizer on, and I'm going to start with the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Instant Retouch Primer. I'm dying a little bit, so the goal is by the end of this to be refreshed. And I always start with one pump, put it in the center of my face, and then I massage throughout the T-zone, because this is usually where we have the most texture. Then I'm going to go into my Fenty Pro Filter foundation, and this is in 370, and we will give a nice massage in the skin. You know, sometimes when you're feeling crazy, all you need is a little bit of glam, and you feel like you can accomplish the day a little bit better. If I stay in my pajamas all day and look crazy, then I will act accordingly. But if I look cute, I'm like, oh, I can seize the day. So I'm really stoked. I need some concealer, so I'm very excited to use this Fenty new concealer. Now that we're foundationed, I'm mad excited to share with you the new Fenty Beauty Instant Retouch Concealer, the little sister to the foundation we've all been waiting for. And friends, yes, it comes in 50 mother-loving shades. I'd like to share a quote with you by Rihanna that I couldn't agree with more. Everybody knows that a concealer is made to hide bags, dark circles, hangovers, and bad decisions, all right here. The cure. I could use some of that. I'm experiencing all of those things right now, so save me, Fenty. I need to be saved. So 50 shades, obviously she's gonna kill it and be inclusive, because she set that standard for herself and the whole makeup community. Hello. They've actually made shopping the concealer easy because they match it along with your Pro Filter foundation shade. So if you want to use it to sculpt, use the darker shades. They'll give you a suggestion point, and then you can either go deeper or quite a bit lighter or quite a bit brighter, depending on how you like to sculpt. If you're using it for contouring, highlighting, or concealing. You know, today I'm going to be doing highlighting and concealing, so nobody knows how much fun I had last night and how much I am suffering today. My Pro Filter shade is 370, and I like to go quite a bit brighter when I use concealer. So depending on, how bright I'm trying to go right now, there's a lot of shade options that I have. It also depends on where you're putting it. If I'm putting something on my face, I'll go a little bit deeper. If I'm going right under my eyes, I like to go a little bit brighter and a little bit more peach. I'm going to show you a few. For example, this is 260 and this is 250. 250 I'd probably use on my face to sculpt or to brighten, and the 260 I'd probably use under my eyes. Although, TBH, there's a lot of shades that I feel could work depending on what you want to do. This one's 255. It almost looks like a mixture of those two. This is 235, which is a little bit more neutral. So because I have a lot to conceal today, I'm going to use the 260 to hopefully, make me not look crazy no more. They also came out with these really cute little sponges. They're mini duos. They also have this concealer brush in 180. I'll try both. I'm really excited about these because these are cute. So let's start with our 260. Need all the help I can get today. And I'm going to do quite an aggressive highlighting situation. And I'm going to go in with one of the concealer blending duos. I'm going to go on the flat side first, and I'm going to tap to blend it in. Yum. So this is actually a really creamy, long-wearing, sweat-proof, crease-proof. Let's get in closer. And look at how it just melts. Damn. I say with a lot of concealers coming out, they're a lot that are hard to find, that are both long wearing and kind of give you that radiance. A lot of them are pretty dry, but this feels really nice underneath the eyes. And I always have a hard time with creasing because I got little wrinkles under my eyes. I'm already feeling more awake. Still hungover, but now I don't look it. Also really popping for layering, so I'm gonna go a little more layer. I like to do one layer kind of spread out to highlight my cheekbones, and then a second layer to really conceal and get underneath. I'm also gonna do a little, you know, one of those, a tree of life too. I'm gonna go underneath with this part. Kind of got like a fuzzy little tip. Oh yes. They've also got lots of shades for color correcting or contouring. The coverage is so poppin', like I don't really need to color correct right now. Give that a nice little blend. I'm gonna do my camera. I'm gonna do my eyebrows real quick off camera because this is a concealer contour video. You feel me? BRB. And guess what, fam? We got setting powder now. So I'm going to use a little bit just because I want to try it. I'm going to use Banana. I also have the shade Cashew here, but let's do Banana. I'll show you what the Cashew looks like. So I'm going to use Banana right here. And I think I'll take one of the little guys. I'm going to do just a touch. I'm going to do it right underneath my eyes. Just like so. And then I don't necessarily want to bake because I'm very dry, so I'm going to give it a nice little buff away almost immediately once I've pressed it into the skin. I always get shiny up in between my brows too, so I think I'll dab a touch, just whatever's left over right here. Yeah, and let's do in the inner parts of my mouth because I always get a line there because I was laughing too hard. So now that that's on and we're matte princesses, I'm going to go in and do a little contour with Truffle. I'm going to be super light-handed with it to start. A little turn up on the nose. Let's do a little right there too. With the new concealer brush, just going to give it a nice little blend. I like this. This is a cute brush. So you just get a nice soft little contour. And I always like to contour my crease with these two. And I'll just blend it out with our new concealer brush. Ooh, yes. Delish. Then I'm going to go in with Truffle again, and I'm going to do just a little bit right underneath my cheekbones. Like that. I'm going to take the 110 foundation brush, give it a nice little blend. We are sculpted. I haven't seen this brush and I just used it to dust away my foundation, but I really want to try it for a little bronzing. So this is the setting brush. I'm going to use it to bronze because I love bronzing with a big fluffy brush. So I'll just take some bronzer. Oh yes. This brush is a yes. And it's very soft. Look at that. I feel like I perked up since I started. I was kind of dying. I thought, I'm like, how am I going to get through this? But I'm sure everybody else is having a time at home watching this. And I hope you had a fantastic New Year's Eve if you celebrate. Do a little bronzing. I'm going to go back in with my concealer brush and concealer. I actually like to use concealer as eyeshadow a lot, so I'm going to do that today. And I'm just going to roll it from my lid back. It's a good way to do like a nice neutral little cut crease type of action, just to brighten up the lid. And it makes you look more awake. Can you see it? I like to do it after I've contoured. I'm not going to do any eyeshadow today. It's just going to be natural. I'm going to pretend that this is how I woke up, all alert and ready for life, even though I looked like death a little while ago. Cute! Maybe just do a little snatching like that. Make it nice and angular. I'm going to highlight, and I'm going to use one of the Fairy Bombs, and this is in 24 KRAY. I'm obsessed with these. And you know what? I'm going to use this brush again, the setting brush. This is like the last little bit of decoration for our highlight. Toast on our nose. I love the way this smells. We're ready. No one needs to know I went out yesterday. Now you can't even tell. I'll take a little bit of that and the Fairy Bomb. I'm going to do a little bit in the Inner corners of my eyes. Like that. What a nice girl. Wow, she's so responsible. And she had a great sleep last night and didn't do anything ratchet. What a sweetheart. You know what? I wasn't even gonna do lashes, but Fenty's out here curing me of all my sins, erasing all my ratchetness that I'm feeling cute and accomplished. So I'm gonna put some lashes on. Like, I've already gone this far. I look like I had a great sleep. I got some pep in my step. Still a little nauseous, but that's okay. No one will know. Cause I look like a girl who makes good decisions. Doesn't have pajama twerking parties in her living room. That's very small. She looks healthy. Very impressed. Get those babies on. Very impressed with myself right now that this is happening. Oh God, she's alive. I feel like I really did something today. I'm gonna finish this off with my fave STUNNA lip paint in Unbutton. And then some Diamond Milk Gloss Balm for some shimmer. Sweet, you know, look cute. The smell is just happy. Well, I'm gonna go take off this headband. Well, friends, we survived. Makeup tutorial complete. The Pro Filter Instant Retouch Concealer really is the cure. I'm pretty sure we've all been waiting for this concealer and I'm super stoked about it. I'm gonna leave a link in the description box about it. Thank you so much to Fenty for partnering with me on this video. How freaking dope. And the concealer is fire. Like, even the powder, like I don't really use powder because it makes me feel a little old and dry. But that one actually feels nice and breathable, and so does the concealer. I find when I use a concealer that's too dry, it makes my pores look big. So this just leaves everything nice and smooth. I feel like I can seize the day. I need to get my voice back, you know. We did the most today, and I'm quite happy. I feel like I'm ready for round 2. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to share, subscribe, follow, love yourself, stay pretty, and I'll see you guys again in the next video. Take care. But I still do feel hungover on the inside. But I look good on the outside. I'm still gonna seize the day and maybe go out again.